Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the global satellite industry. I'm Richard Hooper. In this week's issue, Brian Dolby talks to Rupert Owen about the new Communicast Myanmar 2014 show. Tricia has news of the SES-8 launch, and Emily has news of iDirect's latest award. But first, YarClick service partners True IT and Yarsat are working together to reduce the entry costs of acquiring YarClick high-speed, reliable and cost-effective satellite broadband internet services. Following on from the positive uptake of the service in Uganda, True IT, in partnership with Yarsat, are offering businesses free equipment and reduced installation charges for selected YarClick business service plans up until December 19th, 2013. These businesses will only be charged the monthly subscription fee, resulting in a saving of up to $1,000. By increasing connectivity across the country and enabling organisations to improve their communication via high-speed and reliable satellite broadband internet, YarClick helps businesses flourish locally and internationally. Spacecom has announced that Amos 5 has won a 5-year deal worth $5.9 million for providing broadcast services to an East African video service provider. The customer will use capacity on Amos 5 to provide both digital terrestrial transmission and direct-to-home operations for a digital migration project taking place in the region. Transmitting on an Amos 5 KU band, the broadcaster will provide both local and international content, including news, sport, entertainment and family programming to the region. Wessex Water has implemented a high availability communications on the move solution from Hughes Europe to support rapid deployment of its mobile emergency response units in remote areas when disasters strike, such as flooding. Wessex Water provides water and sewage treatment services to 1.3 million people across southwest England. The company's emergency response team previously lacked a unified communication system that could operate in areas with little or no wireless 3G coverage. At the same time, Wessex Water has been able to synchronise communications between their mobile units and the HQ command centre in areas of limited 3G coverage. To ensure there is no loss of connectivity, the Hughes solution employs its advanced 9450 C11 mobile satellite terminal, operating over Inmarsat BGAN, with automatic failover from 3G service. Now here is Brian Dolby talking to Rupert Owen.
Hello and welcome to SatTV Week. We have today Rupert Owen with us, who is the director of a brand new telecom show in Myanmar, formerly known as Burma. Rupert, this is going to be a great opportunity for the satellite industry.
It's a great opportunity because Myanmar is opening up, and at the moment its penetration rate amongst the mobile community is only 10%, and the immediate requirement is to link up all the communities across the whole country to be able to make the country move forward in one step together.
Now this is the first event ever that the government has officially endorsed, so this is a sign of real commitment to modernise communications, isn't it?
We believe it's part of a process whereby the whole economy is opening up. For example, there's been 10 newspaper licenses awarded recently, and many of the investors in the newspaper industry are sure to be moving forward into other forms of media. So we're really on the beginning of a platform and the beginning of moving forward across the whole economy, which of course is very agrarian at this stage, but there is growing demand amongst the educated within Myanmar for additional services and additional features across their whole lifestyle.
Because I mean, we're talking about a country with a population of 60 million. I mean, this is a major opportunity, isn't it?
It's a major opportunity, and also as a member of the ASEAN country community, it's very closely integrated with the Southeast Asian economies. The cross-investment flows are already happening with other partner countries, and Myanmar is looking towards understanding the technologies that are available and then moving forward and incorporating them into the new economic and political lifestyle and environment they're working around.
Now, I know it's early days yet. You only announced the show a few weeks ago. I think it's early next year. I'm sure you'll tell us before we finish this interview. But are you finding interest from the satellite people already?
We have several companies already lined up to participate in the event, and there are many, many more, we believe, who should be interested, who are still investigating the market. One of the issues is finding the right combination of partners to work with and decide which countries around the region they should be linking with if they're not going to go direct.
Okay, so for the benefit of our viewers, tell us all about it. How can they find out more?
The show will be held 5th to the 7th of March next year in Yangon in Myanmar Convention Centre. The website for the event is www.communicastmyanmar.com.
Okay, well, thanks for sharing that with us with SatTV. I'm sure there'll be more news in the weeks to come.
Thank you very much, Brian.
Here is Tricia with news of the SES-8, which has arrived for launch on SpaceX.
The SES-8 satellite has arrived at the Kennedy Space Centre in Cape Canaveral. The satellite will now be processed for a November launch on board a SpaceX Falcon 9 booster. SES-8 has been manufactured by Orbital Sciences and features up to 33 Ku band transponders. SES-8 will be co-located with NSS-6 at the orbital location of 95 degrees east to provide growth capacity over Asia Pacific. The spacecraft's high-performance beams will support the rapidly growing markets in South Asia and Indochina, as well as provide expansion capacity for DTH, VSAT and government applications. According to Martin Halliwell, Chief Technology Officer of SES, the company looks forward to the maiden launch of an SES satellite on board the Falcon 9 rocket operated by SpaceX. When co-located with NSS-6 at 95 degrees east, SES-8 will not only provide incremental high-performance capacity for multiple applications, it will also create greater reliability and additional security for customers. As such, the SES-8 satellite is an integral part of SES's growing presence in Asia Pacific.
Finally, here is Emily with news of iDirect's latest award.
iDirect has announced that its X7 remote is the recipient of the first annual VSAT Technology Innovation of the Year Award. The award, which was given by the VSAT industry's leading analysts in conjunction with the VSAT 2013 Global Conference, recognises critical technology innovations that enhance the delivery of VSAT services to the wider community, while evolving the satellite industry beyond its current limits. The X7 received the Innovation Award for its design to handle high data throughput rates and enable inter-network roaming for seamless global mobility. The X7 remote, the first in a family of next-generation remotes, is built on an entirely new multi-core hardware system and is designed to reach high-performance throughput levels to support bandwidth-heavy applications and emerging high-throughput satellite services.